Hello guys, welcome to my channel with another new video. Friends, I have a many colorful of toys here. See that all are brand new and colorful. So friends, I will introduce all of my toys with you, and next I will hand drive all of my toys with my hand. So at first is a under construction vehicle Beko on truck. See, this is nice and color combination. See this color is red, yellow, yeah, red, yellow, blue, and black color combination. Wow. Next one is a Rap 3 car. See, this is Rap 3 car. See this color is red, black, and black color combination. Wow, this is very nice color combination. And next one is a mixer machine. See, this is very big size mixer machine. See this color is yellow, red, and black color combination. Wow. And next one is the R17 high speed bike. See this color is yellow, black, and white color combination also. Wow. And next one is a Lexus car. See this model is very nice and color combination. See this color is black, red, and white color combination. Next one is a 3D DS Tarzan car. See this color is white, silver, red, and yellow color combination also. And this wheel is black and white color combination. And next one and last one is a Spider-Man car. See this model is my favorite. This is very nice color combination. See this color, yellow, black, and red color combination. So friends, my all of vehicles are introduced with you, and now I will hand drive all of my toys with my hand. So wasting any more time, let's go. At first is a high speed Spider-Man car. Wow friends, I parked here my first toy. Next one is a 3D DS Tarzan car, so let's go. Wow friends, I parked here beside Spider-Man car. Next one is a Lexus car. Wow friends, I parked here besides 3DS Tarzan car. And next one is a high-speed bike R17. So let's go. Wow friends, I parked here beside Lexus car. And next one is a under construction vehicle mixer machine. Wow friends, I reached my parking place, so I parked here besides R17 bike. And next one is a Rap 3 car, so let's go. Wow friends, I reached my parking place, so I parked here. And next one and last one is a truck on Beko, so let's go. Wow friends, I parked here besides Rap 3 car. See Rap 3 car, so My all of toys are hand driven with my hand. So I'll ending my video. See you soon with next time with many colorful of toys.